Good evening everyone. So I am Ante Lorraine Balara from batch 4. So meron dito pa rin po tayo sa topic natin today, which is yung series ng Seminar Petition at of course a special series na 7 out of 10, which is paano lumalam sa Biblia. So ngayon pang 7 na po tayo. Ulitin lang po natin na number 1, we have the covenant. Try lang natin kung kabisado ko. Covenant of redemption, tama? Covenant of works, covenant of grace, covenant of Noatic, covenant of Abrahamic, and ngayon naman po, covenant of Mosaic covenant. So, nakabisado ko pa siya. So, ang concept daw po niya is, it is the covenant that God made with the people of Israel through Moses at Mount Sinai after their deliverance from Egypt. It is a conditional covenant, meaning its blessings were dependent on Israel's obedience to God's laws. So, ito naman pong topic na to is all about the relationship between God and Moses. And we have here the teachings. The law is a mirror. The law restrains evil, and the law points to Christ. And the applications is, do not judge others because we are all equal. So, even though syempre tao tayo, nagkakasala tayo sa araw-araw, but we can lessen it in the help of God, dahil the more na mas nakakakilala tayo sa Kanya, the more na mas nagkakaroon tayo ng knowledge and conviction, dahil meron tayong Panginoon sa puso natin. Ang sa ganun, nagkakaroon tayo ng pagka-guilty sa mga nagagawa or magagawa nating kasalanan. And abandon your old self, discover your new self. Ito parang connected siya sa baptism. That's why it is very important to know the importance of the baptism in our lives. So, even though na super pangit yung old self natin, parang nagkakaroon ng emphasize yung buhay natin before, dahil sa mga nagawa nating kasalanan, God can really remove all of those memories from you, and God can really cleanse yourself from your old self. Like, hindi po hindi masusukat yung pagmamahal na kayang ibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. So, if gaano man tayo kadumi before sa mga kasalanan natin, dahil we are still humans, we do sins, and of course nakaka-break tayo ng mga promises ng Panginoon. But we should take in mind or put in mind that hindi tayo kayang pabayaan ng Panginoon sa lahat ng sitwasyon. And lastly is, run to Jesus for forgiveness and covering. So, kahit naman sabihin natin na gagawa tayo ng kasalanan, manghingi na tayo ng sorry para sa Panginoon, which is hindi pa rin yun okay. Kaya nga nasabi ko, the more na meron tayong pagkakilala sa Panginoon, dapat the more na maglalas yung mga kasalanan or sinful na mga magagawa nating bagay. That's all po. Thank you for listening.